Good morning, dear 10th class IT students. Today we'll continue with your Unit 3 ICT and your Session 3, that is care and maintenance of a computer. Now, you all know that computers play an important role in our lives, and for a better life of a computer, it is very necessary to maintain it properly on a regular basis. We need to take care of the computer. So, now, the proper definition of computer maintenance is that computer maintenance refers to the practice of keeping computers in good condition so that they can work efficiently. For this thing, for this maintenance of computers, we can classify into two categories. First is the hardware maintenance, and second is the software maintenance. Now, hardware maintenance, as the name suggests, hardware will include all your hardware devices like your monitor, keyboard, and your CPU cabinet, mouse, and other extra peripheral devices. So, how to take care? We need to first of all clean these hardware components so that we can ensure its proper smooth functioning. Now, monitor. How do you clean a monitor? We never use any direct water or some liquid. Just a mild liquid and a soft piece of cotton cloth is needed to clean the screen. Otherwise, if you will put some water or some liquid, there will be some patches on your screen and it will damage your CRT screens, as these screens are very light. Next is the keyboard. How do you take care of your keyboard? You just use a soft brush or a static vacuum cleaner to blow out the dust. Also, you should avoid eating when you are working on the computer. You are using a light brush to clean these parts of the keys so that the dust is removed from the inside of the keys. Then mouse. Again, we'll just use, we are not going to use any damp cloth, just a moist, just a clean piece of cotton cloth is used to wipe the dirt. Also, if you are using an optical mouse, then simply wipe the mouse from above and below with the piece of cloth. Similarly, CDs and DVDs also, you should keep your CDs and DVDs properly so that there is no scratch on it. And the internal parts like your motherboard and the hard disk, they should also be cleaned with the help of a clean brush or with the help of vacuum cleaner. A static vacuum cleaner is the best way to clean your parts, your internal sensitive parts of the computer. Then you have the cabinet. Again, we are using a soft piece of cloth and just wiping it, the back side of the cabinet as well. Then the digital camera. We all use the digital camera also, so that we just avoid using don't touch the lens of the camera. Just take a soft brush or like a piece of dry cotton cloth, and you can also use a special cleaning fluid to clean the lens. Next is software maintenance. So the previous we had learned about the hardware maintenance. Now this comes to software maintenance. Now software means the programs which are already installed on the computer. It involves scheduled disk cleanup task, protection against viruses, and deleting the temporary and unwanted files. First of all is the virus. Now when we talk about software maintenance, first thing we have to take care about is the virus. You know, virus full form is Vital Information Resources Under Siege. So if something goes wrong with the computers or data, your business and your all workstation will almost come to a standstill. So a virus is a program. Basically, computer virus is a program or set of programs that disrupts the normal operation of a computer. It will destroy the data and you will not even come to know that how it has entered. These are the symptoms of the computer. Your speed will be reduced. The response, computer is not going to response, and hard drive crashes, frequent hard drive crashes, and distorted images, and your files will disappear, pop-up ads, and your files will unnecessary, they will delete or hang the systems. These are the symptoms. Then we need to install the computer with antivirus software. Now these are the antivirus. Best one is Norton, AVG, and Avast, McAfee, Kaspersky, and the best one is your Quick Heal. So to protect your computer, you should have antivirus. You should use firewalls in your computer. You should apply passwords to your important IDs, your files, confidential files, and of course at last, if you are using emails, your emails have to be scanned thoroughly. Next is, I'll tell you about Quick Heal Total Security. Now Quick Heal Total Security is the best antivirus software which we people are using. What is an antivirus software? An antivirus software, the computer programs which are designed to identify, prevent, and remove viruses from a computer. Now what does they do? First of all, they just scan the computer files to look for known viruses. जो एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं वो आपका पूरा कंप्यूटर स्कैन करते हैं और उनको जितनी भी सस्पिशियस फाइल्स मिलती है वो उनको डिटेक्ट करते हैं, उनको आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, एंड देन दे रिमूव दोज सस्पिशियस फाइल्स. सो for that we have to install antivirus. As you can see on the screen, we are just scanning this, and it will completely scan your computer. Although ये auto scan होता है, whenever we start, we just put it on auto update or auto scan. A computer will daily be auto scan, and the suspicious files will be deleted. This is how it is. And next is about the scan settings. As you can see, in total security we have scan settings, automatic or advanced. We set it on automatic, and then repair also, what action we want to perform when a virus is found. Then is about parental control. Yes, this is a feature about parental control on to the settings. We apply these. This is a control where we are just putting a check so that some restricted websites are not viewed by kids. So this is for parental. This is the important application of parental control. Next is about disk fragmentation. Now what is disk fragmentation? Disk fragmentation means like your disk is being properly fragmented. Fragmented means divided into pieces. Now what happens when you save a file on your computer? It may not be saved in a proper location in the actual memory. सो व्हाट हैपन्स कि कहीं पर कोई बिट सेव हो रहा है, कहीं पर कोई बिट सेव हो रहा है, तो जो हमारे फ्री फ्रैगमेंट्स हैं वो एज सच वेस्ट हो रहे हैं. सो टू अवॉइड दिस प्रॉब्लम वी आर रनिंग द डिस्क फ्रैगमेंटर यूटिलिटी विच इज़ अवेलेबल इन योर कंप्यूटर. एंड वेयर इट इज़ फाउंड इन योर accessories. When you start your computer, start all programs, accessories, disk fragmentor. आप इसको you just run it, and then you can see that your system, your hard drives, basically disk क्या होता है, आपकी partitioning होती है, C drive, D drive, E drive. So those disks will be defragmented, and what will be happen that the memory, जो memory है, that will be properly utilized. The memory bit space will be properly utilized. And और हमने इसको सेट किया हुआ है कि हमने इसको शेड्यूल किया हुआ है कि आपने इसको कैसे करना है, वीकली करना है या मंथली करना है, बट बेसिकली वी आर डूइंग इट ऑन वीकली. दिस इज़ इट. देन इज़ योर रिमूविंग टेम्परेरी फाइल्स. यस जब भी आप कंप्यूटर में काम करते हो आप कितनी सारी फाइल्स बनाते हो, यू आर डाउनलोडिंग सो मैनी थिंग्स. सो व्हाट हैपन्स इज इन योर कंप्यूटर बेसिकली इन योर सी ड्राइव देर इज़ अ फोल्डर टेम्परेरी जिसमें टेम्परेरी इंटरनल फाइल्स होती हैं और उन फाइल्स का कोई एज सच यूज़ नहीं होता. दीज फाइल्स आर ऑफ नो यूज़ एंड इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी टू delete certain these temporary files. Why? So that because they are unnecessary, they are utilizing your memory space, so we have to delete time and again. We have to do it ourselves. We have to just go on C drive, open Windows folder, and very carefully you have to do it. Otherwise accidentally you'll be going to delete any important file, then there will be a problem. So we'll just go on to C drive, Windows, there we'll open temporary files and just delete all the files. So this is how you make your proper use of your disk space. Then the last topic is about your removing spam from an email account. Now you have emails, you people use emails. Now what do you mean by spam? Spam means certain unwanted emails which unknown senders are sending you. These unwanted emails are stored in a folder known as spams. Just like now why are they sent? For the purpose of advertising, spreading malware, phishing, and for hacking and all sort of irrelevant purposes. So to we also will just open our spam folder and delete all these useless mails. So this was all about your session 3. Kindly read out, and I have already given you the solved answers of this session. Thank you so much.